Hello and welcome back again to my channel Susan Gold TV. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys on how I made my daughter large size of Knowles braid using Brazilian wool. So the main color for the background is going to be red, and I'm going to be using black for the tip. So this is the black I use for my daughter before, so the remaining one is what I'm going to use for this. But first I just want to teach you how to make neat braid. So like how to hide your hair inside the braid, so the way your hair will not show at all, no matter how long your hair is. So we're going to be making everything together today. So if you're interested to know about all these things I just showed now, or I just said now, just stay tuned and watch this video till the end. If this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much, and I do really appreciate you for stopping by. To my returning subscriber, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much, guys, for your support. Like I really appreciate your support, and I thank you all for staying connected to my channel. So guys, this is how I cut the hair. And the first side down was into 3, while this second part was into 6. Yeah, because I made the hair large size. This hair is so easy to make and is very fast, you know, because I don't have to get tired of making hair, and my daughter also, she don't have to also get tired. So before she start complaining that she's tired, we're done. So the way I made the hair, once you cut the hair you want to make, you cut it into 2, and you put the extension or wool, whatever you want to use, you put it in the middle, and you can use rubber band to hold it, or you can braid it. But this one I'm doing right now, I am doing the braiding. So braid it, don't let it be too tight, and don't let it be too soft, so that the hair will not come out. So when you're done doing it, use the hair you put in the middle to cover the hair. Make sure you cover it properly, then use another one to round it, and you make that one you put before, make it 1, and when you use to round it, you make that one 2, then use to round it twice. The 3rd time, that's when you start braiding it, and you know that one you joined together before will become 1, while the other one you used to round it will make it 3. That's how, you know, we need the 3 strands to do the braiding. So you just continue like that, you have this neat hair. And also, if you like what we do here and it's your first time, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. So what we do in this channel, we do wig, we do kids hair, we do adult hair, I make wig, we do natural hair remedy, you know, a lot of hair stuff. That is what we do here. So if you're interested to know everything we are doing here, you can also I'll check some of my videos out, and yeah, stay connected to see what we are bringing in here, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remain blessed and stay safe.